Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? It's your friend, guys. I'm back again. Guys, if you look at my screen, you will see that it's the same topic of Junior Pope we brought in this table today, guys. If you look at the screen, you will see a write-up. Guys, try to read that write-up very well, which says that Junior Pope was given a life jacket, but he rejected it because it was dirty. But he did not order for any other one. And the jacket is very, very cheap. It's like 1,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. But he rejected it because he trusts himself. One, they say that he's a good swimmer. So when they have this particular incident in that particular river, he was there helping others, which shows that he is a very good swimmer. He was making sure that everybody was fine and he was floating on top of the river, right? Guys, now, at a time when he was asking if everybody is fine and he was helping people already, okay, they throw a gallon on him also to use and support himself, which he used. But there is something that we're supposed to look into in this particular matter right now, or incident, because if you look very well, you will see that that gallon helped him to flow more on top of the river. So if you check this very well, you will know that there is somebody under the water that pulled this guy through the leg, and they started struggling, because if you look at that particular cloth he was wearing, you will see that that cloth was torn into pieces as if he was fighting with somebody inside that particular river. Guys, if you look very well also, you will know that he did not drink any water because his stomach was very, very 100% flat. So guys, I suspected a conspiracy here. Let's go further, guys. So now, I would like you to look into this very critically, because this is not funny at all, that a guy who has been helping people, those people he helped survived, and he go down. Guys, there is conspiracy in that river. That guy that is driving that boat need to be questioned, and all the people that he saved, those guys especially, need to be questioned, because I'm thinking some of those guys that are in that river also, maybe some of them witnessed what happened in that particular river that made them also to hide those people also, so that they will not be seen, so that they will not be able to speak out when they are rescued. Because what I'm seeing and hearing on this is that Junior Pope helped all these people to survive. And there is something that is so remarkable on this particular incident, which is, guys, hold on, I'll tell you. Guys, there is a lot of lies in what TC Virus said. TC Virus said that he wasn't standing up at all, and he did not mention of he ringing bell. And if you look into the video very well, guys, you will see that all the while TC Virus was standing and also hitting bell. Like, why was he summoning the spirit with bell, guys? He went further and tell us that he rescued one lady, which the lady he said that he rescued did not even enter the water at all. So guys, these guys are supposed to be called to the stations for questioning. All those guys that survive has question to answer about junior pope's whereabouts. Also, guys, remember that the river people are demanding for 2 cows because there is an atrocity that was committed in that particular river. So why, if these people did not buy Pope and the others in that river, why are they asking for 2 cows? And they say there is conspiracy and there is atrocity committed in that particular river. So guys, if you look into all this, you know that there is something fishy. Guys, tell me your thoughts, like and comment and share. I will see you in my next